Good morning, everyone. I am sending you this video to tell you that I am launching my new startup in the coming days, and I decided to do a small party to celebrate the occasion. I wanted this to be a very personal wedding with everyone I hold dear. So I decided to invite you all. Now, I know that 15 or 25 of use and a single room is going to be a little bit difficult. So instead of meeting at home as we usually do for family gatherings, I decided to rent a small hall on alternative for all of us to be in. Its name is the Sailor Inn. In the address is 2985 Marina Avenue. It's not impressive, but it has very nice view of the bay and very cozy. My plan is for you basically to start have a nice seafood based lunch toast for my new business one some champagne and maybe have a little dance afterwards. I remember Aunt and Melbourne go these nuts white diabetes not long ago, so I am going to try to keep our drinks low on sugar if that is okay with you are. There is going to be room for the kids to the hotel has a little playground area for them that is watched by the staff all times. Which I slid a merry-go-round on other things of the sort. The reservation is at 12 p.m. on Sunday, so try to be there a little earlier. There is not much else to say, guys. I see you there.